Hello, Mike Donnelly, Contract Management Software Expert here at CobbleStone Software. And today I wanted to walk you through some of the amazing features that we have on our system, Contract Insight. I'm going to be walking through the day of the life of a contract manager using our solution to help streamline, simplify, and optimize your CLM processes. To start, we need to sign into CobbleStone's Contract Insight, and we can do this in a few ways. We can go through our web client using a standard username and password along with our single sign-on if you prefer, but we alternatively offer an app on both the iOS and Android app stores. When we first log into the system, we're going to be presented with one of two different types of dashboards. The one we have in front of us is called a graphical dashboard. There's 10 of these that come out of the box, and you can build them in any way you'd like, very similar to custom reporting. These are very useful for a high-level understanding of what's happening in the system. For example, right here we have total contract amount, total contracts in each status, as well as total contracts in each department. So if I'm an admin and I just wanted to get a very wide view of a lot of information at once, this graphical dashboard is really going to come in handy. Alternatively, we also offer a standard dashboard, which are essentially just personalized launch pads, no matter what type of user you might be. These launch pads can have things like quick links to add requests to the system, run reports in the system, get a good amount of information right off the bat. Alternatively, you can also add a summary tile, which summarizes the information of your reports in a number of ways, providing totals, minimums, maximums, averages, and counts. So if I just wanted a quick way to see how many contracts I have pending waiting for me, how many contracts are upcoming for expiration, or just how many contracts I would consider high risk in my system that are waiting for me, I can have a summary tile showing me exactly that. So overall, dashboards are really useful because they allow you to prioritize your most pressing tasks, your most pressing contracts, and overall what you need to see exactly as soon as you log in. Also on my dashboard, we offer a calendar. The calendar I like to call somewhat of a to-do list. It's going to be telling us days within the month alerts are going to be sent out. These can be contract alerts, expiration alerts, but they can also be more individual task alerts such as send an agreement for review, email a contact, or sign something. When we see these tasks on our calendar, on those days will also be sent out an email. And both the email as well as the calendar will provide us with a direct link to the source of the contract itself. If I follow this link, this will bring us to our contract details page, which is going to hold a number of configurable fields by our administrators by each contract type. So that way, the information that you're looking at is only relevant to the type of agreement that needs your attention. With our native document editor, I can make some changes and redline this document to send back for contract negotiations. We also have some helpful options you can access from here. For example, if you have standard clauses within your CobbleStone clause library, you can replace the clause version within a negotiated document with the approved ones from that library. Additionally, we can set up things so that if a certain clause or phrase is recognized by the system, it can be added as a field for quick recognition and data extraction as metadata for future contract documents. All of this information can help with the new process of contract creation as well. For example, you can see a summary page that displays the percentages of common clauses extracted from your documents your team has managed within the system. CobbleStone makes version control visible and convenient. Each time a document is edited, a new version will be added to the document toolbox, allowing for consistent, up-to-date information and a clear view of the editing process. Within the document toolbox, you can store an unlimited amount of Word documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, and even emails to be very easily accessible right within CobbleStone. To add a new contract to the system, all we need to do is drag and drop document into this section here, and the contract will be automatically uploaded. We can choose OCR to have our internal AI with machine learning wisdom read the document and extract the metadata. Once the document is run through, you'll see a preview of the file on the left side of the page and the contract type fields on the right. Wisdom will extract and populate details from the original document, such as counterparty name, contract amount, effective date, and other important information, onto a neat and tidy contract details record page. You can click on the Intelligent Extract tab to see all of the extracted information and verify if it's correct. Since I've already reviewed the document I uploaded, the next thing we'll do is move on to the signing process, and I'll be using our proprietary signing software called IntelliSign. CobbleStone supports the integration of other signing programs like Adobe and DocuSign, but for this example, I'll be using IntelliSign. After signing and completing my task, an automated workflow will trigger, and this is going to move my document to the next stage. This is how I get the notification to review the contract once I've logged on. Someone else uploaded a document triggering a preset workflow to ping me for review. This will act as another form of communication throughout the contract lifecycle to prepare time lost between tasks. Now, notifications and alerts aren't the only way for you to get to a contract to review. At any time, you can find contracts you need through our simple search or quick search functions. With the quick search, you can enter a keyword, for example, operations, and you will see all available contracts containing that keyword. Simple search is a field-specific search where you can find contracts only within certain fields. For example, if I wanted to find all contracts assigned to the counterparty ABC Company, I would click Find Contracts, Counterparty, and then choose ABC Company. Now, if you would like to have visibility into specific key data, you can create an ad hoc report. For example, let's say I wanted to find all contracts expiring the next 30 days in the IT department. It's pretty specific, right? I really wouldn't want to input all those fields and apply those same filters. So what I can do is I can simply build an ad hoc report, pin it onto my dashboard, and it becomes the first thing that I see when I log in. Or I can send it out as a routine notification, or even both if preferred. In addition to ad hoc reports, you can use the custom report designer to create KPI reports, detailed financial reports, as well as graphical reports. We want to make sure that you make the most out of CobbleStone software. So when you partner with us, you receive a number of additional opportunities and resources, such as an online wiki, one-on-ones with a training expert, as well as notifications for any upcoming masterclasses and roadshows. If I piqued your interest today, I fully encourage you to go to cobblestonesoftware.com/demo for a more personalized demonstration. Thanks so much.